Hello, I'm on a 2016 Nissan Titan, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first you open the hood, and then while the motor's off, we're going to find this. This is your dipstick. So pull it all the way out, and then once it's all the way out, you wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel on the end, and then stick it all the way back in. A little easier with two hands. And then pull this all the way back out again, at which point you'll check the end here, and you see these grid marks on the left end of those grid marks as you're full, and then towards the right as you're getting low or empty, which, yeah, it's a little hard to zoom in on this with this camera, but if you're not all the way full on those grid marks there, you might want to add some so you're not running low. So we'll put this all the way back in. And then while the vehicle's still off, once I get this back in, you'll add your new oil here. So double check you've got the right type of oil, as well as ideally the same brand and synthetic, conventional, and everything of oil you've previously used. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But while the motor's still off, you'll just unscrew this. Fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. Screw this back on nice and tight when you're done, and then I'd start the motor for like 5 seconds or so at least to get that new oil to circulate. Turn the motor off, and then repeat the original process with this dipstick to see if we're at the full mark now or not. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of regular oil changes, which typically, depending on motor mileage, age, type of oil, things like that, you'll do in vehicles between 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so. Which you do by typically, if you need to, put the vehicle on a slight lift, get to the oil pan, pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the oil plug back in nice and tight, and then you'll come back to the top here and then refill the engine with all the oil recommended for an oil change for your particular motor type. Screw this back on nice and tight, and then start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to to recirculate that new oil. Turn it off, and then once again check your dipstick to see if we're at that full mark. But I hope all this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.